back. It's Saturday. I have all day and nothing to do except this. Today's plan, we're going to tear apart the rest of the motor. I'm going to get the radiator out, water pump timing, heads, intake, all of that off. So I can see exactly what I have, so I can get the cam out and go about ordering a new one. Going to try and make some more power here. Gotta get rid of that. Somebody spray painted the damn master cylinder. Got a new one of those at home. Got a new steering shaft at home. Get rid of the rag joint. But yeah, just plan on getting it torn apart, see what we have, and where we go from here. All right, a little update here. It's been, I don't know, hour and a half or so. Got the water pump off, intake, working on the heads right now. Stupid me, thought I could do it with the headers in place. Turns out, yeah, those bottom bolts, I'm gonna have to take them off for. So, gotta have to do that. Otherwise, I'm almost done for the day. Radiator's still in because that top, focus. Top trans line is frozen, so it's not coming loose, and I don't want to strip it. Trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with that to get that loose. So the only things left are that, balancer, headers, and heads. And then this teardown is complete. And we'll see what we got and go from there and start ordering parts. All right, we're gonna call it right there. Still struggling with that top trans line. And I'm gonna have to jack the car up and get under it so I can take the headers off so I can finish. And it's cold and I just don't want to do that right now. So we're gonna call it right here for this video. Next week, hopefully, we will have the finish of this, at least getting everything and the cam out so that we can get parts ordered. See you again. See you then. Thanks, guys.